What is the role of occupational therapy in treating children with autism or autism spectrum disorder? As a child visits an occupational therapist, the occupational therapist does a very detailed evaluation by taking a very detailed history from the parents, interviewing with the parents as well as observation of the child. The assessment does not happen over one single session. It has to happen at least 2-3 sessions so that the therapist gets a detailed information about the child. And the evaluation would be in many areas of interest. One would be the gross motor and the fine motor skills of the child, the sensory processing of the child, how the child's cognitive and perceptual functions are, and very important area would be the play skills and the play behavior of the child. And then we move on to how the child does his or her things on her own, the self-care tasks, okay? And also we go into, if there's an elder child, we go on to the academic performances of the child. And another important area would be the behavioral problems the child is facing. So a comprehensive assessment is done and the intervention is given in all these areas, taking into consideration the child's age, the family background, and the child's ability to process things as well as the child's ability to communicate. So based on these, the individual goals are set and interventional activities are given. Every child is unique, so the plan for every child also needs to be very individualized, and common things cannot be done for every child.